Sure. The best places to eat chicken wings around here.
Best place?
Next summer we're gonna be traveling for 2 weeks.
Don't even mess with Double J's. Don't mess with Double J's.
Don't go to Double J. Oh, I know I do. I know I do.
Thanks.
Nice seeing you again.
See you around.
See y'all later.
See you. Easy.
Hey, God, they're doing special on chicken wings. I don't eat no fucking chicken wings.
How you doing?
Good. We're doing
What's
pictures
new?
or what?
Yeah, we're doing a film. We're doing a film about the best chicken wing.
Huh?
We're doing a film about buffalo wings.
Back when we only say about.
The perfect chicken wing? The movie we're doing? Can you guys help us?
Jeremiah's wings, Jeremiah's wings.
Každý deň navštívime 8 reštaurácií. Je jasné, že tempo, ktoré Med nasadil, sa nebude dať dlho vydržať. Všetko sa natáča ako v reality show. Lucia, Metová priateľka, nevie zniesť, že si z nej Med urobil sekretárku. Raz sa dokonca stane, že na ňu zabudne v jednom meste a zistí to, až keď potrebuje dať príkazy.
All 3 beans, mac, and potatoes, all covered, all slathered and covered.
Are you done? I can have those? And where's Ron?
Lucia najprv odmieta byť postava v reality show a hovoriť o svojom súkromí. Neskôr sa podvolí.
Nemusíš teraz, lebo teraz sú čerstvé. Že furt... On je frustrovaná, že furt rozmýšľam len o krídelkách. Môžeš rozprávať s ňou, že robíme film a nezlob sa na Maťa a sa rozplakala. Guys over there sort of noticing us.
They're probably just looking to make sure you're not tearing anything up. I bet you some of the kids.
Where to go?
Okay, Matthew, help me. Lasko! Somebody!
Oh, you want to get down?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Co? S Matějem? Hej, som. Hej. Asi hej, no. Někdy mám toho dost, ale jsem šťastná. Asi bych se nudila. Víš co, začínám je mít ráda, teďka. Já jsem měla ráda Mildlands, ty co nepálí. A teďka už mi nevadí ani ty páliva. Už začínám mít radši ty páliva. To je zvláštní, protože pálivé jídlo, já nemám ráda pálivé jídlo, ale tyhle jsou nějak divně pálivé. Oni nepálí tak, jak normálně pálivé jídlo. To je divné.
I like chicken, you like chicken, we like buffalo wings. And another verse would be, we like 'em hot or maybe not.
Už týždeň cestujeme po malých dedinách, čo majú názvy slávnych miest a jeme krídielka. Ja ich už nemôžem ani cítiť, ostatní sa zatiaľ držia.
Oh, that's good.
Which one's the mild?
That kind of heat.
They're still greasy, man.
Yeah, they are greasy.
Yeah.
I don't like them. Good dry heat. It tastes like it's from cayenne powder.
Wing terrific, what is it?
Wingtastic.
Wingtastic.
Pre mňa je zaujímavé stretávať rôznych ľudí. Ponúkajú nám svoje krásne domy, člny a jachty. Plavíme sa a chodíme na party s miestnymi politikmi. Ľudia, ktorí nás videli v televízii alebo o nás čítali, nám občas prídu povedať svoj pohľad na život.
By just looking at the nutritional content of the wing. And now this is for a pretty universal wing. I mean, there are definitely differences depending on the size and the sauce that you use. Now, the average wing has about 85 calories, and that includes the sauce. And it doesn't matter if it's the flat or the drum. It's about the same.
So when I sit down and eat 100 wings, I've eaten 8,500 calories. That rocks!
That is true, yes.
Slávny protestantský kazateľ nás tiež pozve do svojho domu a rozpráva sa s nami o hľadaní dokonalosti.
That happens to us as we try to get along with other human beings and appreciate other human beings and even others of God's living creatures and everything in God's creation.
Are you from the Albany area originally?
Yeah, I grew up in North Albany.
So do you remember when wings were just exploding across the state?
It was a long time ago.
V aute sme trávili dlhé hodiny, striedala som šoferov a spoznávala, že pre Američanov je prirodzené robiť show, hoci ich to vyčerpáva. Pred kamerami to nedajú nikdy najavo.
What was fun when we got to use it when kids got older and started playing soccer. Always thought we'd get back to doing it again, never did. Wings, wings, wings.
Now for 7 days and nights we've eaten nothing but wings. I'd just like to try a couple different things. Yeah, after all that time we need a break. Why don't they give us some goddamn steak?
Elove verše sú ironickejšie, objavuje sa slovo steak, začíname sa hádať medzi sebou.
The whole entire thing was created.
Ježiši Kriste, tak na čo to točíš, keď mi nedovolíš film?
To piči, kurva, ako mi tak sa one, tak mi to povie normálne.
Whoa, keep the tapes rolling, keep the tapes rolling, keep the tapes rolling.
10-krát som ti to povedala, ale ma nepočuješ.
I think about the moon. I think about the vegetables.
S Elom v aute som cestovala najmenej, pretože často fajčil marihuanu a nevedel, aká farba svieti na semafóre. Je zázrak, že to prežil. Keď sa na to prišlo, odstavili mu dodávku a radšej ho vozili. Lovci s ním mali problém, pretože všade hodnotil krídelka najvyššími bodmi. Kazil ich sudcovské poslanie.
No, I can't say.
We've already found
You can't, well, other than now you don't have any place to go if you find better.
He's going with 10 plus.
So listen.
You can't go over 10.
Well, I don't know what could be better to me.
Well, then you go with 9 and then in case you find something better.
No, you gotta be honest.
You can't do straight 10s because then the computer won't read it.
You
can do it if you want.
Just give straight 9s
I wouldn't recommend it, but you can do it.
You can do it. I'm doing
What
it.
happens if you find? What happens if you find? What happens if you find a wing that's better? What happens if you find a wing that's better?
I don't know. Oh, they gave him his orders. That one road Virginia said they're way behind on time. This is not 38. In the Spencer on time.
Keď som navštívila Elov dom, došlo mi, že El je jedno z posledných detí kvetov.
Just a little more cold. And when we reach that white oak mountain, you can watch old 97 roll.
Cesta za najdokonalejším krídlom rozdielila dvoch veľkých priateľov. Rick odmietol jesť od rána do večera kuracie krídielka. Veril, že na ceste bude samé vyberané jedlá a popri tom si užije mládeneckého života. Nič mu nevyšlo, jedli sme iba krídielka a americké ženy, ktoré sme stretávali, boli preňho dosť tosté. Bol šťastný iba vtedy, keď si dal steak.
White people like me, all they want is to fuck and to make nice barbecue and to go to the ocean and swim. I am so fucking horny, right? I didn't have sex for 2 months because my wife was pregnant.
Rick bol naozaj zúfalý, ale niektoré jeho požiadavky sa splniť nedali. Často skypoval so svojou manželkou a vyčítal jej, že mu dovolila odísť.
Yeah, it's not easy for me to be here.
3 buffalo wings I play, 3 buffalo wings I play, 3 buffalo wings. 3 down, 2 buffalo wings I play, 2 buffalo wings I play, 2 buffalo wings. You take them down and pass it around. 1 buffalo wing I play, 1 buffalo wing I play, 1 buffalo wing. You take one down and pass it around. 0 buffalo wings on our plate.
America, America, God shed His grace on thee and crown thy good.
Ron, na rozdiel od Ricka, sa celú cestu zabával a nikdy nefrfal. Ron je typickým voličom republikánskej strany. Je vlastenec, miluje slobodu, vie oceniť dobrý alkohol.
You can fire this gun faster.
Winchesterovku by neváhal použiť pri obrane svojej slobody a majetku. Pred 20 rokmi bol známy muzikant, jeho platne sa predávali dokonca v Japonsku. Najväčší hit sa volal Beaver Island.
We love the punk girls at Beaver Island. They wear close to nothing, so we shave our eyelids.
Funny dead fish up on the beach. The smell of dead seaweed. The girls will know that. Oh, I messed up.
Go in the water, get a broad by the hand. Pull her out, drag her up in the sand. Ready? Have your way, that's the way. Glad you came to Beaver Island today. Oh. Funny dead fish up on the beach. The smell of dead seaweed.
Okay. Now the gross part.
Najväčší showman je Thor. Na noc si dáva žuvačky do chladničky, aby posiloval svaly. V jeho aute sa cítim najlepšie, pretože je vtipný, hlučno a z chuti sa smeje. Všetky ženy ho milujú, ja som mu tiež neodolala.
Did I lose 3 pounds? Nice! Where did he lose 3 pounds? I don't know. Somewhere.
Snaží sa mi ukázať Ameriku, všetko, čo má na nej rád a čo inde určite neuvidím.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Keď som mu povedala, že si chcem zobrať bohatého Indiána, tak ho začal zháňať. To bolo jediné prianie, ktoré mi nedokázal splniť, pretože Indiáni sú chudobní a stále opití. Thor pochádza zo skromných pomerov, jeho rodičia sú na ňo veľmi pyšní. Dostal sa medzi najlepších jedákov sveta.
This is the one that we said to your brothers. This one doesn't have a picture, it just has an article.
Hold that, let me get rid of this. Hold that up for her to film.
Oh.
Thor počas našej cesty vyhrával všetky súťaže v jedení.
No problem.
Toto všetko je iba príprava. Naozaj veľká súťaž o slávu a veľa peňazí sa koná každý rok na najväčšom krydelkovom festivale v Buffale.
Welcome to Buffalo, New York. I'm Jennifer Starkey, Miss Buffalo Wing 2008. Welcome to the National Buffalo Wing Festival.
Well, that's all got to the preacher. Let him say I do. And you know you'll have me. And I know that I'll have you. Don't be cruel. That's true. I don't want no other love. Baby, it's to you I'm thinking of.
You guys are beautiful. Stick around. I'm going to be doing some more in a little while. Elvis bag. You guys take care. I'll see you in a little bit.
Vďaka Chicken Wings som jedna z mála slovenských žien, ktoré Elvis oslovil. Prípravy na najväčšiu súťaž vrcholia. Všetci sme v napätí.
Thank you.
And he realized that this was not a weakness, but a strength. Welcome to the stage from Manchester, New York, 6 foot, 350 pounds, Mr. Ben Nice Beaver. Beaver! Regurgitator has all of the characteristics of a champion competitive eater. Sharp incisors, extra wisdom teeth, massive stomach capacity, incredible esophageal control, and a pretty big collection of the Girls Gone Wild video series. Welcome to the stage, 6 foot, 390 pounds, Mr. Wild Bill Myers. Chicken wing eaters alive today. Right here, we have Buffalo Jim Reed, Humble Bob Chow, Chip Burger Simpson, and Sonia Thomas, the four horsemen of the esophagus, putting down wings at a very rapid clip, ladies and gentlemen. We are 20 seconds into the contest. Brad Schumo going to the water. Oh yeah, Brad, man, that's what I like to hear. There's some concern that delicious wing-zoned wings will actually be a detriment. They are so delicious that they will not be able to focus on putting them down at a fast pace. I do not believe that that will be the case, ladies and gentlemen. 40 seconds into the contest. Jammin' Joe LaRue.